Welcome to a new episode of Math Tech. In this question, a square ABCDA is given and the length of square is r. The question asks for the area of the colored region that you see here. In order to solve this problem, first I'm gonna divide the colored area into two parts. The first part is the upper part that you see here, and the second part is the lower part that you see here. In order to obtain the area of the upper part, I'm going to use the area of this quarter circle that you see here and the area of this right triangle. If I subtract the area of this quarter circle from the area of the right triangle that you see here, the remaining part will be the area of the upper part that I discussed. To show it better, I'm gonna draw it outside of the figure, and you can see here that the sides of this right triangle are r. They're also the radius of this quarter circle, and because we have 90 degree here, I know that this is a quarter circle. The area of the quarter circle is equal to p times r squared over 4, and the area of this region is the area of the right triangle, which is obtained as r squared over 2. If I subtract the area of the right triangle from the area of the quarter signal, I will obtain the area of this region, and this is equal to pr squared minus 2 times r squared. We can do the same thing with the quarter circle ABCA and the right triangle of ABC, and if I subtract the area of this right triangle from the quarter circle, I will obtain the area of the lower part, which is going to be exactly equal to this one. So the area of this region will be the area of the upper part multiplied by 2. So if I multiply this term by 2, it will give me the final area, and I can further simplify this. It will be r squared over 2 times pi minus 2. Yeah, this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.